Okay, so let us see what the market offers us right now. Certainly what I'm looking at is much more likely to go down lower, and breaking down of this downtrend, there's a possibility that we won't be seeing the rebound happening. So I think for now I'll be taking a bit of a much more cautious approach on the gold market. But certainly prices are remain pressured, and I would love to see how market reactions happening near this area, see whether the rebound is happening near 2660, and then I would try to make a short buy, put the stop losses very tight, just around 500 pips, aiming for 2680. But if it doesn't happen, I'll be put a short positions, put a very tight stop losses as well, because this week hasn't been very well on us. Okay, alright, so from my side, I think I'll be taking a closer look. So for now, guys are interested to get access to even insights that are not shared on this side coming up from Jaden, you could definitely get access to the VIP sessions by checking our profile on YouTube and click on the link and give us a chat and ask for the VIP sessions, and you guys could be joining my night VIP sessions later on at 9 to 10 p.m. Singaporean time. So if you guys love to get those access, you could definitely check us out and get updates from that site. Okay, okay, right now we are seeing that prices has been quite pressured. That's what I've been looking at the charts, and certainly I'm looking at a bigger possibility that based on these short-term price reactions, we are likely to see prices to go lower right now. Okay, okay, we are starting to see some good signs. There could be a possible rebound near the US market sessions together with us. Okay, and definitely if you guys want to have a chat with me, you guys could Okay, so right now I'm seeing good chances that based on the current market indications that selling pressure remains just now, and let us see how the market reacts on a small time frame. So certainly there is a little bit of support near that area, and maybe we can try to do a buy, aim for 2675, 2670 at our nearest price target for tonight, guys. Okay, so I'll be changing the current indications for you guys. So alright, so I'm looking at good chances based on how the prices has been reacting, and certainly after the drop with a huge volume, as you guys could see, huge volume going down together, certainly there could be some good case where we could be put our stop losses near the low and try to buy after having a climax volume price actions on this side of the charts. Okay, so I think I will be much confident after getting a little bit of rebound above the 5 moving averages, which is around 2668, 2667. Above that, this could be a good chances. Okay, so for now, let us wait, see how prices reacts. If it breaks down the low of 2665.1, we could be putting a sell signal right now. Okay, prices has been quite slow. I'll wait and see, guys. Definitely that's the case because there's a possible rebound near that area. So we need to get a confirmation in after the candle has finished up building. Certainly prices has remained quite pressured. Okay, so I think I'll be putting some sell signal right now. Because I've seen enough, price has been reacting quite bad, and like I said, we have seen prices been quite going down further and further. So this is definitely one of the good choices for us to do a sell signal. Okay, so I've given out the sell signal for you guys. Hope that you guys could utilize it and make the trades on your side, guys. Certainly from the current indications, I would be seeing right now prices Alright, so that's what I'm looking at the markets right now. I hope that you guys have been following us and you guys could make the same trades near this price target, guys. Okay. Alright, prices has started to rebound back. Certainly, I'm still seeing high selling pressure happening, as you guys could see. Pressure has remained high, and certainly right now we are still seeing the same indications. So we have already put the stop losses near 2670. So if you guys have been following us, you guys could put the same risk reward ratio with us, and we can try to aim lower towards the low area at 2660 or even lower to 2655. Alright, so let us see for now. Prices are still reacts quite the same. Prices are still within, I would say, near 2667, 2668. It will be the determining point to see whether prices should be going later or not. But certainly from the indications that I have been looking over the last 10 to 15 minutes ago, it seems that this is the current indication that I'm getting from the market. Okay, so maybe let us take a little bit of a look on silver prices. Should it remain goes lower, we'll be getting that clearer confirmations coming out of the market. Okay, I think I'm looking at the same thing happening on silver market. Prices has been reacting quite bad negatively on this silver prices, and actually silver prices has hit the top as well, guys. Okay, so definitely indications right now that I'm looking at possible false breakout at 30.83 resistance area. Okay. Okay, so for now I'm looking at this possible scenario happening on silver market. So I'm likely to see there will be a little bit of tricky scenario where we could be hitting the highs near this resistance area, $30.85, and possible false breakout, and then we could be seeing prices to go lower. Okay, for now, price started rebound. We'll be ranging around okay, prices started to go lower again, so certainly in line with our view, prices remain on high selling pressure. So if you guys love what you guys have been looking from what I've been sharing my insights on the current market movement on gold and silver, you guys could give us your likes, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe and share this video with your friends or anyone that you guys know who is doing trading, because we'll be doing these live streaming sessions with you guys daily, Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. Singaporean time, and certainly I believe this kind of analysis could be quite useful on your trading side, despite whether you guys want to follow what we are sharing on our signals. But certainly if you guys love and wanted to get trading ideas that you guys could use, certainly you guys could check out our descriptions and join the free channel for more trading ideas. Okay, but if you guys wanted to have a chat with me, have my thoughts, what I'm looking at the market, certainly you could also check out our video descriptions, find the link to join the chat room and have a chat with me there, because otherwise I couldn't be seeing your comments or your questions, guys. Okay, so right now I'm having these public live streaming sessions with you guys from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Singaporean time, and then later on Jaden will be having you guys on these public live streaming sessions. But don't worry, if you guys even wanted to get further insights on the market with much more exclusivity, you guys could definitely get VIP sessions, where right now Jaden is having one. So if you guys right now want those VIP sessions, you can also check out our profile, find the link to chat us and ask for VIP sessions, and you guys could get insights from me and Jaden on 2 different time sessions. Okay, so you guys are welcome to find out those informations as well. And let me have a little break for a while. I will be back with you soon. Okay, wait for a while, guys. Okay. Okay guys, I am back. Yep. Okay, so let us see what the market offers us. Certainly right now on the market movement that I'm having and what I'm seeing on gold market is in line with my view, and certainly I'm still seeing good chances we could be making money together. Okay, prices has been reacting what we have been seeing. So if it breaks up higher, we are going to cut our losses at 2670 plus. So near that area, we'll be cutting the losses. And certainly if price movements suddenly started to go higher, we'll be putting a buy signals, because from my perspective that I'm looking at, there's a possibility that could happen. But since we are still seeing the price pressure remains over the last 30 minutes or half an hour, it's still showing that indications from what I am looking on the market. Okay. Alright, so maybe let us check back on silver market, see what we could be getting at on for now. So it has been in line, possible false breakout at $30.80, what we have been looking at, and even $30.85 that is currently happening on the market. So that's why I've been prefer to a bit more cautious on the market, see how the price reactions, and then we could maybe give you guys a little bit of indications what you guys could act on it. So price still remain quite pressured, and I think I'll be give you guys a possible sell area for now on the silver side at $30.80, the lowest 83. If you guys could get higher prices, definitely the better, because I'm looking at good chances that this could be going lower, as we are looking at prices started to remain quite weak on the gold market, and certainly since silver market are much more likely to be pressured for most of the times, this is actually a very good chance that you guys could take this action time to sell the silver market signal for now. Okay, so based on the current reactions that we have been looking, gold prices has maintained quite well market movement compared to silver, and certainly after looking at these topping phases are still appearing on the silver market, as you guys could see, building up these topping phases and dropping down lower, we are still seeing prices still remains quite low after yesterday's market event happening on the US PPI data, showing that market hasn't been reacting quite well. Okay, so I don't know whether you guys are looking at us right now, but certainly I do welcome that you guys who have been looking at our sessions, what I'm looking at the market, how prices has been reacting in terms of price actions. I hope you guys have been loving what you guys have been looking at. So I hope that you guys could give us your likes, give us a thumbs up, and do remember to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. If you guys do think what we have been talking about could be helpful on the trading, certainly sharing is caring, so you guys could do that. And if you guys wanted to share your opinion on the market, how you guys are looking at the market right now, maybe you can join our chat room. So one of the ways you guys could chat with me immediately and get an instant reactions is you could check out our profile and check out for the chat room link, and on that you could join the chat room and have a chat with me, guys. Okay, but certainly if you guys wanted to get more insights from me, make sure you guys could watch us, and we will be updating you guys how we will be doing on these market trading signals on the next few 1 hours, I would say, because we are doing these live streaming sessions based on these sessions, guys. So I'm Steven, if you guys haven't known me yet, and certainly later on Jaden will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions. But certainly if you guys wanted to get even much more personalized, much more exclusivity of insights on the market, certainly you could also join our VIP live streaming sessions, and certainly you guys could get such benefits and also other benefits as well. So you guys are welcome to also check out our VIP live streaming sessions and as well as our public live streaming sessions. Okay, and certainly this is the way if you guys wanted to access those VIP sessions, and currently Jaden is having one, so as you guys could see on this time schedule. So you guys, if you want that access right now, you can check out the profile or our YouTube descriptions right now and check us on WhatsApp and ask for those VIP sessions, and you can check access on those VIP sessions with two of us, because after this public live streaming sessions I will be giving you guys some insight what is happening on the PPI based data, as well as what we are possibly looking on the US dollar strength and how is it going to react on the market on tonight's VIP sessions later on at 9 to 10 p.m. Singaporean time. Okay, so right now let us look what has been doing on the market for now. Okay, so prices has been going down lower, which is a very good thing happening on the market. So this is a good thing. Prices have that resistance on those area, and certainly we have entered the trade near $30.82, 81 cents. Certainly right now we are in a small floating profit, which is a good thing on the market. We need to get those kind of confirmations, getting those confirmations step by step, looking at those price reactions. Maybe now will be a good time also to be checking back on the golds. Okay, gold prices has been pretty much in line with what we are looking at, and certainly I'm looking at prices should remain ranging for a while, because it's possible to see prices has been quite down going with high selling pressure, and it's much more likely to see a little bit slow market movement for a while, maybe for the next 15 to 20 minutes before prices continue to drop back lower. So that's what usually happen on the market, and certainly we would love to see what has been going on later on. Okay. Okay, maybe right now if you guys wanted to have a discussions with me, you can check out our descriptions and join the chat room by clicking on the link there, and you guys could have a chat with me. Okay, certainly I welcome you guys to have a chat with me, or if you guys wanted to get other trading ideas that you guys could use, you guys could check our video descriptions and join the free signal channel for free as well. Okay. Alright, so let us look on the other market. Possibly we can take a look what happened on the currency market for now. Okay, so I don't know whether you guys love currency market or not. Certainly I'll be taking a look on it for now, because I'm looking at good chances that currency market could be getting a much more better indications out of there. Why I'm saying that, because if you guys take a closer look, that certainly we are seeing that the Japanese yen is weakening. So definitely when the Japanese yen is weakening, we could be seeing that the US dollar is going quite strong. And certainly tonight I'm looking at the data coming up from the European side, has actually shown that inflation was still quite under pressure. I would say GDP has actually remained quite low on the GBP area for tonight. So with those news, I'm seeing the chances that inflation still remain quite low, I would say. That means there's a huge chance ECB won't be cutting interest rates on the next meeting, guys. Okay, so that's why we are looking at the euro currency has actually been reacting quite well. So that's market reacting towards the news, and certainly US dollar remains quite strong after people looking at good chances that the US Federal Reserve won't be cutting interest rates as aggressive as right now they did, and certainly as a result the Japanese yen will be going lower, because coming out from the BOJ officials, they have also been saying that they are started to see a possibility to stand pat, meaning they would be trying to hold the interest rates as long as possible, since market conditions are still showing a pretty affordable market movement right now from day view, and certainly inflation still remains what they see as quite a healthy market movement. So that's why we are looking at this kind of a mixed reactions coming out of the market. GBP is quite weak because you do see that the GBP UK economy data right now on this side has been going down lower. As you guys could see, it's further lower than the estimates based on yearly, monthly, or even the quarterly basis. And we do also see that UK manufacturing production is also falling down pretty much. So we are seeing that the GBP is quite weakened. Certainly it has been coming back further higher together with the GBP US dollar as well as the Swiss franc. But overall, on the euro side, we are seeing that the French side could be naming a new prime minister that could really actually help to push up the sentiments, especially inflation has still remained quite under control from the two biggest economy. French inflation is still under control based on forecasts. Spain inflation has also remained the same as forecast, so that is actually quite a positive news for the euro currency market movement for tonight. And certainly with that, I'm looking at good chances that this could be moving quite well for euro for tonight. So maybe I'll be taking a look on euro later on. Maybe we could be doing some short-term trades, but that's not really my type. I'm trying to find more of a swing trade to see how the longer market reaction works. Maybe for now, let us take a little bit of look on the US dollar index together, guys. Okay, because US dollar index is actually quite good indicators to see how the market has been reacting and see how market movement has been going. So it seems that maybe let us take a look on the daily time frame first to actually show you guys how market has been reacting since that. So market has been moving, I would say this is a weekly chart, but it has been showing after hitting the support area, it started to rebound on the US dollar index, and afterwards we have also been looking at the US dollar index remain quite high after hitting the resistance. So this is a daily time frame chart. And right now we are actually seeing the possibility that after hitting the high near here, there's a possible weaknesses appearing on the US dollar index. Why I'm saying that? Because based on seasonality, we have already been looking at prices to remain quite slow, especially after the possible inauguration of the US president. We could be seeing that the US dollar index will be further down weaker. Okay, so before that, I think we could be seeing prices remain quite high, especially we are nearing the Federal Reserve interest rate decisions next week at 18th of November. So it will be on Wednesday. So Wednesday will be a big day on the US dollar, and as well I believe should be highly impacting the gold market as well as the US stock market. And definitely if you guys don't want to miss that out, remember you guys could subscribe, give us your thumbs up, and share this video, because we are doing these live streaming sessions from Monday to Friday 7 p.m. Singaporean time with two traders sharing it on these live streaming sessions for you guys. But if you guys wanted to get a much more VIP sessions, you could also check us out as well. So you guys would be getting those benefits, and this is the tutorial. If you guys wanted to get it, you guys could check the link, chat us up, and you guys could get VIP sessions with two traders. Okay, so with that, I'm looking at good chances that nearing that we could be seeing the weaknesses appearing, especially tonight's market reactions on the US dollar index hasn't been that well. So that's why if I'm opening up on the small time frame charts, it's actually been showing after hitting the high prices. I would believe it will be maintaining on this strength until we are getting the clarity coming up from the Federal Reserve decision. So I'm expecting that the US dollar index for now will remain quite strong until there is a clear decision appearing from the US dollar index. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at the market for now. So I do believe that the US dollar index should rebound near this area, and that could be giving a little bit of a bigger pressure on the gold market movement later on. So if US dollar index goes stronger, we could be looking at the possible gold market movement to be a bit going lower, and both gold and silver. Okay, so for now, nothing much has changed, honestly, guys, and definitely, like I said, there's a possible ranging market movement before going lower, and so far it has been quite in line with my view. And on this side of the charts, we have actually been getting a much better confirmations, as silver market is much more volatile. Definitely that's the case, and has been quite in line with the view. And certainly with every market movement reactions, there's a possible ranging movement before we are actually looking where the silver directions will be heading next together with gold. Okay, so actually I'm quite interested with your views, guys. So maybe you guys could share opinion, what you guys are thinking on the gold and silver market right now, and let me know on the chat. So if you guys want to have a chat with me, you guys could check out our video descriptions and find the link to join the chat room. And I'm very much interested to see what you guys have on your opinion on the gold market and silver market, and you guys could chat with me and easily do so. Okay, so let me see whether any one of you guys do chat with me on the chat room. I'll be happy to have a discussions with you guys. Okay, alright, so far I haven't seen anyone yet, but I will be taking a look on it later on, see whether you guys have any response for me. Alright, okay, so prices has been reacting quite well according to our views, and we are getting the confirmations that this should be going well on our side. Okay, it's still the same. Good reactions on the market according to what we have been looking at. So then this is a good thing. Okay, Okay, so prices has remained lower. We have already been recommending to sell near this area, and right now prices indication has been showing that truth. According to what we have been looking at, both gold and silver market movement has been pretty much in line. We have already been selling at $30.81, 82 cents, and prices have been going down lower and lower. So I'm expecting we could be hitting our profit target as closest at $30.70. That could be the case, that what we are looking from the market for both gold and silver. Based from what we are looking at, possible price rebound coming up from the US dollar could really help to push down US dollar. Could really help to push down gold and silver prices. And in a moment, in another 5 minutes, I will be taking a look how the US stock market has been working, since we could be trading it on those markets based on the futures index. So I think I'll be taking a look on that together with you guys, okay? Alright, prices have been going down lower, and we should be hitting our profit target pretty soon at $30.70 together, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys have been following us. We have already made such a wonderful trades on both gold and silver, and certainly I'm doing these sessions every day from Monday to Friday. So if you guys are interested, you can check us out. So I'm Steven, nice to meet you all. And certainly there will be another trader who will be doing these sessions with you guys together at 8:30 till 10 p.m. Singaporean time. However, if you guys wanted to get something even much exclusive than the ones that you guys are looking at, you guys could also get those VIP sessions. Just check out our profile and chat us up, and you guys could get those access on the VIP sessions. Okay, so just to let you guys know. And certainly right now, if you guys want to share your view, what you guys are looking at the market, you can let me know on the chat room. So you guys could check out the video descriptions and click on that chat room to have a chat with me right now. Okay, okay, prices still remains lower as expected. We'll see how market reaction works later on, since what I'm doing is more of a swing trading, and it's going to take some time. Definitely that's the case. So if you guys have any opinions right now that you guys want to share with me, you guys could check the descriptions and join the chat room and have a chat with me. And don't forget to give us your subscribe, give us your thumbs up, and share this video, guys. Okay, so I'm checking the chat room, see whether any one of you guys wanted to share or have a discussion with me. Okay, it seems that there is no one for now. Okay, it's no problem. So another minute, I'll be taking a look on the US stock market. All right. So right now, let us begin with US30 market, because I think it's quite important for us to take a look on that market for now. Because why I'm saying that, because prices have been moving quite out of order. What I would be saying that's the case, and certainly let us take a bigger time frame, look at the market at a much better time frame. Okay, so what has been happening on the gold market, on the US stock market? So actually I will be giving you guys this statement because I've been pretty much bullish on the stock market, especially ever since from the US president election, and certainly with that I will be a bit bullish, and certainly we have already made profits here on the low side of the charts. If you guys do look where we have been entering trades near here, and then we hit the high at around 45,000. So definitely if you guys have been following us daily, you guys would have been get those kind of access from us. Okay, so certainly I'll be just moving it aside so I can be discussing what has been happening on the market. Alright, so what has happened on the market? So I think I've been sharing what I've been looking at the US stock market. I'm pretty much bullish, but bullish doesn't mean that the market will be going higher every single day. That's not the case, guys, because if you guys are bullish on the US stock market, certainly you expect that the market reactions will be healthy. And what is a healthy market reactions? Okay, so a healthy market reaction is based on what we are looking at this kind of charts. Okay, so let's say I'm drawing up on this small trend line right now, so I do expect prices to be moving in a swing. So what swing that I'm talking about right now is this kind of market movement, guys. Okay, so I expect market should be have a correction, healthy corrections, not more than 10%. So going higher, lower, and higher, and now it's going on the lower side, which is, I would say, on the US30 market has been quite reactive, and I would say it's quite much, but certainly market has started to rebound, especially next week we'll be having the Federal Reserve rate decisions. So actually this week could be the part where we could be looking at the possible consolidations, because if you look, when it broke out higher, the US30 has actually been the weakest compared to the rest of the pack, such as SP 500 or Nasdaq 100, and certainly this case could be actually building up on these consolidations, especially market has been also consolidating previously on this part chart. So you guys could see on 7th of November it has been doing so, 21st of November it has been hitting the resistance near this area. So actually on these prices right now at 44,000, which is a very good number, because every rounding numbers has actually been quite a proven support area or resistance area, and we are likely to see this to happen as well. But certainly on my case, since I'm more of a swing trader, I would love to get the confirmations from the market based on volume, because on the US30 stock market, volume hasn't been doing very well. As you guys could see, it has been going down on huge high pressure. Definitely, if you guys could see in this low side, volume has been quite high, hasn't been able to rebound at a much better volume compared to SP 500 and Nasdaq 100. So definitely I'll be taking a closer look, see how the market reacts near the rebound area, and then we could be making some trades. Let's say if it do break out higher than this 5 moving averages, especially if we do get the confirmations breaking up above 20 moving averages around 44,300. So that's always a price that you guys want to pay. If you guys are trying to get the confirmations coming out of the market, you guys are going to get heavier price tag. But if you guys wanted to enter the trade, put your stop losses a bit lower at, let's say, 43,500, 43,600. That could be also meaning that you will be reaping the rewards a bit higher. But certainly, if you guys wanted to get that safety, you guys could enter at higher prices, let's say 44,300, 44,400 after getting the confirmation. Definitely there's nothing wrong or right based on those indications, guys. Okay. Alright, next I'll be taking a look at US 500. I would say it's the second best options right now on it, because US stock market has actually been moving quite well on most of the fronts, and I think I've already been sharing the view on what I do look at the US SP 500, and certainly SP 500 has been moving quite well, and I do expect at the end of the year we could be hitting 6,200 as our possible price target. So make sure you guys take a closer look, and certainly if you guys love and wanted to get this kind of trading ideas, you guys could definitely check out our video descriptions, and you guys could check and join those channels for free for other trading ideas like the ones that you guys could be looking at, like this one. Okay, certainly right now I'm still a bit much more focused on the US stock market, especially on US 500, SP 500 as well as Nasdaq. Okay, so let me have a discussions on the SP 500 right now. So SP 500 has actually been moving quite well, I would say, guys. And why is that the case? Because let me open up on a small time frame to make it easier. So if you guys take a closer look on this, we're actually getting these consolidations for quite some times, and certainly market reaction has been quite reactive, and I would say it's a bit too much, I would say. And certainly yesterday prices has been dropping back, but honestly speaking, that market movement has been quite healthy. Why I'm saying it's healthy? Because if you guys take a closer look, it has actually built this foundation of a base, and it's near this support area at 6,030. So this is actually one of the very good signs appearing on the market, and certainly right now after this basing we could be actually hitting back to 6,100, guys. Okay, so this SP 500 stock market has been actually quite well, and definitely if you guys are looking at this live streaming sessions right now, I would be highly recommending that this is the second best options right now that I'm looking at the US stock. And later on I'll be taking a closer look on the US 100. But certainly right now, if you guys think this is an interesting market idea, you guys could let me know in the chat room, because I'm very much interested to know what are your opinions on the market. So I highly welcome you guys to check out our video descriptions and join our chat room and have a chat with me and let me know your opinions on the market as well, because it's very important that you guys have your own view and how you guys to enter the trade based on the setups that is appearing on the charts, guys. Okay, so I really love to get your opinions as well. Okay, so I do see market could be breaking up higher right now, could be a very good entry point. Put the stop losses below 6,030. So for more safety reasons, I will be putting that stop loss a bit lower. And after prices has been reacting quite well, I'll be adjusting it lower at 60.50 for the safety net. Okay, so certainly that could be one of the good case you guys could be also trying to buy near that area as well. Okay, so if you guys love what you guys have been hearing from our insights on the market side, certainly if you guys love what you guys have been hearing, you guys can chat me. I'm Steven, and certainly we are doing these live streaming sessions with you guys Monday to Friday, 7 to 10 p.m. Singaporean time, and there will be two traders who will be doing these live streaming sessions. I'm Steven, and the next trader, Jaden, will also be accompanying you guys, sharing his insights on the market together with you guys. And certainly if you guys wanted to get even much more exclusive sessions, you guys could also access those VIP sessions with us. And definitely you guys could chat us up and let us know on WhatsApp and ask for those VIP sessions, because right now Jaden has been actually finishing his VIP sessions, and later on tonight I'll be sharing much more insights on the possible market movement on the US stock market, and also how does the impact coming out from yesterday news on the US producer price index could be affecting the US dollar index with the close timing on the US Federal Reserve decisions on 18 December. So if you guys wanted to join those sessions, chat us up and ask for those VIP live sessions, because I'll be talking much more on the US stock market together with you guys, as well as what's possible price reactions coming from the strength of the recent strength on the dollar, and what would be causing market collapse on the US stock market. Okay, so I'll be talking about that later on tonight's market with you guys. Okay, but for now, maybe let us come back to it. The gold, see how prices has been reacting. So it turns out prices has been rebounding higher, and I would say I'm putting the stop losses near 2671, 2672. So let us see how prices has been working later on, because there's a possibility that the US dollar index still remains quite high, quite strong, I would say, as you guys could see, but certainly price reactions could be a bit slower and there could be a rebound, and that is what is happening right now on the market. So let us check back on the silver market. Alright, so silver market has actually been going down quite low, hitting $30.74, which has been hitting our price target, where I have been talking about the possibility $30.70 could be a good price target, and definitely we have hit those price target for tonight. So congrats for you guys who have been following our live streaming sessions, because $30.75, $30.70 even was hit. So this has been quite a good market. So we right now have made profit out of the silver market together, and certainly our gold market trade, like I said, gold market has actually been responding quite well, and it could take a little bit of market movement to really hit its profit target on the very first side, 2660 guys. Okay, so that's why I'm saying 2660 at the support level will be much more likely to hit later. Okay, so prices has been moving, ranging, like I said before, going lower, and especially we do see that gold market movement has actually been quite sticky and has been able to maintain higher prices compared to silver. So that's why when silver prices are a bit pressured, you guys could be seeing that gold prices has been reacting quite well. Okay, so in the last 10 minutes, I'll be talking to you guys the main star for tonight's event. I think Nasdaq 100 could be a very good choice, and certainly with that could be a very much good market reactions on that market together with you guys. Okay, so in the last 10 minutes of the live streaming sessions, I'll be taking a closer look with you guys on the US 100, Nasdaq 100. Okay, So if you guys want to chat with me, I will be viewing what you guys have told me because I couldn't see your comments on YouTube. So make sure you guys, if you guys want to chat with me, you guys could check out our descriptions on the video, and then you guys could join the chat room and have a discussion with me. Maybe share your opinions. What do you guys see on the market, guys? Okay. So in another 5 minutes, so for the last 10 minutes, I'll be sharing good informations on the last thing that I've promised to you guys, that I'll be taking a look on the US stock indices, which I haven't discussed left. So maybe you guys could take a guess what I'll be talking about, but certainly I'll be sharing the insights, and certainly it has been quite different from the last two US stock indices that I've been talking about. Okay, so in another 2 minutes, I'll be sharing what I've been looking at the market, especially on the US stock indices. Okay. Alright, so we are entering our last 10-minute sessions, and definitely, as I've promised, I'll be sharing the information on what I'm looking at the stock market. Okay, so before that, let me share with you guys a little bit of information that certainly our live streaming sessions are free for you guys to watch, but if you guys are interested to get even more exclusive insights, why I do think how the market moves, and what I'm looking at the possible market movement in the next few months, you can join my VIP live streaming sessions in later on at 9 to 10 p.m. Singaporean time, and certainly there will be much better benefits than the ones that you guys are watching on the live streaming sessions right now. So if you guys are interested to get access on those, you can chat us up on WhatsApp and let us know that you guys wanted to have that VIP sessions, and you guys could enjoy those with 2 traders with different insights about the market. Alright, so let us see on the last market signal that I'm looking at very well, US 100. So I don't know whether you guys have been looking at this, but certainly US 100 has been moving quite well. And certainly I've been sharing insights that you guys should be buying quite low. As you guys could see, I've been recommending to buy at 21,360. So it's a very affordable price if you guys have been following us for quite some time, because we have already been taking a look on it for a reasonable point of time. Okay, so right now let us discuss what has actually happened on that market. So the market has actually been showing us a little bit of signs that market should be heading higher, and as a result we have been entering trades at quite a very affordable prices, and ever since prices has been reacting quite well. Because you guys open up on this chart, that on this market we have decided that the best case scenario is for you guys to hold on the trades, because prices have been moving quite well, and certainly there are other stock markets around the world that has actually been moving in the same directions, and I'll be sharing it later on with you guys. So if you guys are interested, you guys could get access on those VIP sessions, just the ones that I've been telling you guys about. Okay, and certainly right now on this US stock market that I've been looking at, prices has been reacting quite well, rebounding at a faster pace compared to the rest of the pack of the rest of US stock indices. And certainly with that, I've been very much bullish on the US 100 stock market. And if I'm opening on the small time frame charts, I believe it should be showing you guys the same thing what I'm looking on the market. So a very good price reactions, rebounds, and all of this stuff as actually still the same, moving in that kind of directions. And certainly right now will be a very good point of buy, and you guys could put your stop losses near 21,600, put a buy action around these prices, and you guys should still be fine on doing these trades. So certainly I'll be sharing with you guys a little bit of signs on the market later on tonight, and on those VIP sessions I'll be sharing the buy signals for you guys as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned and watch us, because I will be definitely sharing those insights on the US stock market with you later on market. So definitely it's a very clear sign in the market, guys. It has been building consolidations, going up higher on a healthy uptrend. So I wouldn't say that this isn't a good market. This has actually been a fantastic market on this site, and certainly I'm just seeing high expectations that prices should remain going higher and higher as the result that we are looking at the market. Okay, so this is a very good signs, and I'm looking forward to see higher prices at least hitting the price target at 22,000 at the end of the year, and maybe possibly hitting this upper channel side of around 22,500. So I'm looking at good chances that this could be your last chance to buy near this area before prices remains to go higher and higher, because this is, I think, one of the best charts that I'm looking at the stock indices part, and certainly I'm looking at a long runway to go for this stock market. Okay, so if you guys are interested to find more later on, check us on our VIP live streaming sessions by chatting us up and say that you guys wanted to have access on the VIP side and watch my exclusive insights for you guys. Okay, so I'll be recapping what has been happening on the stock market and the signals that I've been sharing. So one of the things that I've been looking at is gold has been actually rebounding as a possible scenario, and certainly what I've been looking at has failed, and certainly I've put a very tight stop losses near 2671, 72. So if you guys have hit your stop losses, I will be hitting the stop losses now. But on silver market we managed to make a win, so I would say that tonight market has been quite well for us because we do see that this market has been quite good. We do the sell near this high, we hit the low at $30.69, which we hit the profit target of around 10 pips. It's a bad, I wouldn't say it's a bad number, it's a very reasonable trades for the silver market on those prices. Certainly that's the case, and I'm looking at good chances. We have already taken profit just now, so if you guys haven't taken profit right now, you guys could still take a small profit if you guys have been entering the trades the same time as us. Since gold prices also started to rebound, we have also put the stop losses to 672 to 671, so if you hit the stop losses, then we'll see how it reacts. But certainly I'm seeing good chances there could be a possible rebound from right now current market movement that has been offering us right now. So if you guys take a closer look, yes, there could be a rebound happening on, and maybe I could be sharing a little bit of market signal later on the VIP sessions, and let us see how the market works again. Okay, so I think US stock market, I've been giving you guys a little bit of a clue that market should be going higher later on, especially US 30. I haven't been seeing some good signs. I will be waiting for confirmations on the US 30 stock market because Dow Jones index hasn't been moving quite well, but I think the best chance should be coming up from US 500. Like I said, guys, okay, US 500 has been actually moving in this zone and has building up a good foundation, good consolidations, and also possible double bottom, as you guys can look, and put your stop losses near the low at 60.50. And certainly the best chance are coming out from the US 100 index. Okay, so I hope that you guys don't miss out on these chances because this could be the money making charts trading on this site. Okay, so if you guys wanted to hear more from us on our VIP sessions, you guys could check us up on the description of the video and give us a chat and ask for those VIP sessions, because later on at 9 to 10 p.m. Singaporean time, I'll be sharing those insights on the market, why I'm looking at a very bullish market, and how does price will be reacting at how it could be reaching 22,200 at the end of the year, and what is the sentiment, what is the factors that has actually been allowing it, and what has been happening. Okay, so I'll be touching more on that as well, and the recent strength of the US dollar index has actually remained quite a concern for that, but certainly I'm very much optimistic that these prices should be going higher. So one win, one losses for tonight. Certainly the most important thing is not to be over risking per trade. So certainly I will be risking 1% max per trade and see how the other trade works. Certainly I'm much more of a swing trader, so I think I'll be taking a closer look at the US 100 for more of my trades. And certainly cryptocurrency has actually been quite a good stuff, and later on I will also be touching on cryptocurrency as well. So make sure that you guys who wants to join the sessions, let me know on the chat room that you guys are there, and I'll be happy to share what I do see on the market and have a discussions with you about the stock market as well as the cryptocurrency market, because definitely right now those trading assets is much more exciting in terms of the price reactions, and price action has been building up on a good consolidations on the market. And it turns out that the US dollar index started to go down slower, and that really helped to push up gold prices. Okay, so I think that's the reason we are looking at that small blip on the market quite fast, and I think that's the case why we are seeing that our gold trade easily hit the stop losses near 2670 plus. But certainly I say stop losses near 2671, 2672, it really depends on you, but if we hit the stop losses, I will be admitting that you guys or me, I'm hitting the stop losses. Definitely that's the case. Certainly silver prices, we managed to take profit at quite low prices. Definitely stop losses at $30.90 for this trade is still affordable for us to do so. Okay, so since time has been up, and certainly I'll be taking a focused look on this market tonight with you guys. I hope to see you guys there on tonight's VIP sessions, because we're also doing the VIP sessions every day with you guys. And certainly for this week, I'm doing at the 9 to 10 p.m. Singaporean time. So thank you very much for listening to our live streaming sessions, and certainly I hope to see you guys next week, because if you guys don't join the VIP sessions, I will be meeting you guys next week. And certainly if you guys love what I've been sharing with you guys about how I do look at the market, what is the possible scenario on the market and market analysis, you guys could subscribe, give us your likes, give us a thumbs up, share this video, okay? And I hope to see you guys on the VIP live streaming sessions, and you guys could get those access by chatting us up. Find our link and chat us up, guys, okay? So you guys could get those VIP sessions, okay? So later on, Jaden will be continuing tonight's live streaming sessions on the public side, 8:30 to 10 p.m. Singaporean time. So if you guys are much more into smart money concepts and fair value gaps, definitely don't miss out on Jaden's session, guys, okay? So I hope to see you guys later on, and hope you guys have a wonderful weekend.
So, good evening, everyone. So, let's begin today's live session. So, okay, so let's begin. So, overall, as we already mentioned that we are typically looking through that the gold market is going lower yesterday. So, if you do look through our live streaming yesterday, we have been giving out the best trade scenario that we ever had given out. Okay, so we already mentioned that the price has been giving us breakthrough, and we we already mentioned that the price is likely to go back to the low sides. So we are waiting for breaking through some kind of resistance, or I mean a supporting area. And then afterwards we are likely to see that the price is going through on the lower sides. So from that point onwards, we can see that the price has been going through the lower sides. And then after that, we can see the price has been going back to the lower sides. Okay. So what is really going on? Okay. So what is really going on? So from here onwards, this is the second week. So I already mentioned that the second week usually will be happening a trending market. So from here, you can see that the market has been balancing out. Okay, manipulations, fail options, fail to go through the lower sides. And then once the price has been breaking through this level, we can see that the market has been continuously going on the higher sides and reaching through the oversupply area. So meaning by that, from this area onwards, I'm thinking the market is really hard to push higher. Okay, so from here to here, I think it's about $100 range. So from here to here, you can see that the price has been going through a $100 range, and then after that, the price has been reaching back to the balance area. So as I just now already mentioned that the price momentum has been weakening out, and this week is actually facing the last week of this, I mean, last month of 2024. So I'm not really expectations that the price will be giving really good highs or maybe giving us a really good low. It's probably reaching through a ranging area, to be honest. So from this point onwards, our expectations is that the price has been. I'm thinking that the market is actually reaching through the 50%. So you can see the market has been reaching through this 50%. And our speculations that the price will be going low back to this level. Why? Just now we already mentioned before. Okay, if you do really listen, just now we have been giving out a really good, great trade trading setups. Okay, so let's see. Hmm. Okay, so why we mentioned that the price is going lower? Okay, so as we already mentioned that the price has been reaching to this low, and the price has been reaching through, and this is actually the value area. So we can actually starting from here to here, you can see that this is the value area. This is what we call the impulse. But the volume, it's not that really much about it. So our expectation is that the price will be reaching back to this low. But in the time being, here it's a really strong balance area. Okay, so balance, I mean balance, and we will be likely to see some kind of retrenchment from this point onwards. Okay, so where can we expectations to? So we can see the price is actually forming some kind of supports. So we will be speculations that the price will be at least reaching back towards maybe around here to grab some liquidations. So we can expectations that the price will be grabbing here and then continuously going on the lower sides. Okay, so if you do really enjoy our live streaming sessions, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And we'll be also providing a lot of news and informations for you guys as well. Okay, so we'll be waiting for the price to reach you and then continuously going on the lower sides. Okay, so let's see how the price react. Okay, so right now, let me tell you something. Okay, so this week, what is really going on? Okay, this week we actually happens a lot of things. Okay, there's a few things that really matters. Okay, what? So what has happened? Okay, so usually we also be talking about this. So euro, it's announcing on interest rates, announce cutting interest rates, announce on cutting interest rates. Okay, and what else? Okay, I think the Switzerland also cutting down as well. So Switzerland, okay, cutting rates. Okay, and what else? I think RBA remaining rates. Okay, and what else? Switzerland, Euro. I think New Zealand is also cutting rates, if I'm not mistaken. New Zealand, it's also cutting rates, but let's see about it. Oh, I think it's Canada. Okay, sorry, mistaken. Okay, so it's Canada. Okay, so it's not New Zealand. Okay, so it's Canada. So Canada has been cutting rates as well. So from this point onwards, what we can see is that there actually all has been cutting rates, and this is one of the reasons why that it's causing the dollar index to be going higher. Okay, so this is also one of the major reasons that why dollar index is going higher. Okay, because cutting rates, the value of the value of other current country currencies will be devaluations, and then this will be maintaining a really strong support or maybe a really strong momentum to the dollar index. So this has been giving supports, okay, giving supports to dollar index. So this is the main reasons to the dollar index and causing I think it's major reasons that major reasons that causing other pairings to drop, causing others pairings to drop. Okay, so this is the major reasons. So we can see that because of the others countries has been cutting rates, and this has been giving the momentum to the dollar index to form some kind of supports, and major reasons causing other pairings to drop, so such as the gold market. I think the gold market has been dropping, but the main reasons that this one has been going higher, I think because of the cutting rates. But either way, this is also causing the pairings to drops. And anything else, we can see that the stock indexes has been also going lower. So from here, stock indexes has been going lower, not really factored on. What else? Crude oil, it's also going lower. What else? Um, Gold, it's also going lower as well. So you can see that the market is being continuously to putting a lot of support from the dollar index. And this is one of the major reasons that causing other pairings to drop, especially on stock indexes, crude oil, or even gold. Okay, so from this point onwards, we can speculations that the euro. So what they're actually announcing on. Okay, so do you really ever wonder about what they're actually announcing? Okay, so Euro is actually announcing that their economy is not really going great. The inflation sites is remaining 2%, and they are um, actually thinking that US Donald Trump will be elected might be affected on their economic situations. So this will be causing them a lot of problem. So from the time being, they will be cutting rates from now, and we'll be seeing how does the situations going after that. But either way, right now we can see that the euro is cutting rates because that the inflations has been going down and there are speculations that the economic situation is not that great as well. So this is also one of the major reasons that the euro has been cutting rates. Okay, the second, Switzerland. Okay, Switzerland has been also cutting rates as well. So one of the two countries has been facing a lot of pressure. So one is Switzerland, the second is Canada. Okay, Canada has been facing a lot of problem and also Switzerland as well. So this is the main two reasons that Switzerland is dropping rates more than their expectations. I think they actually dropped 50 basis points. So this is also one of the major reasons that this CHF pairings has been dropping, and this has been causing a lot of supports to the dollar index. Apart from that, another thing is the RBA. So even though that Australian dollar, okay, AUD pairings has been continue forming supports because they actually uh, remaining rates, but didn't really affect it on the AUD/USD. AUD/USD has been continuously going on the lower sides. So as you can see, because of the other countries cutting rates, this has been putting a lot of supports to the dollar index, and this is also major reasons that causing other parents to drop. Okay, so this is what has really happening. Okay, and also Canada has been also dropping rates because I'm thinking that these four countries the most affected on I think it's probably is the Canada sites. So Canada has been cutting rates a lot of times and their unemployment rate has been reaching through 6.8 or maybe 6.7 if I'm not mistaken. So around that area 6%. Okay, so because of that, they have been continuously cutting rates to boosting their economic situations, and this is also one of the major reasons that are giving the dollar index to form support. So going back to the dollar index, as we already mentioned before, okay, starting of November, okay, last month, you can see that the price momentum has been strongest, okay, and then after that, the price has been reaching back and forming a rebalancing and grabbing below liquidations. So you can see that this might be the less liquidity area. So once the price has been grabbing through and breaking this level, okay, this balance area, then after that, we will be likely to see the price continuously going on the higher sides. So this is why that we are actually thinking the price of dollar index is going higher. To be honest, I was thinking that dollar index would be going on the lower sides. Okay, my speculations is actually that the price is reaching back to this level, okay, reaching back to this level and then continue to go on the low and maybe break through this level, reaching through this the second balance area. But apart from that, I think the price has been breaking through this one, and then after that, we already mentioned that from our yesterday live streaming, it's more likely that the price of dollar index is going higher, and because of that, we have been giving out doing short positions on the gold market. So if you have been listen out to our live streaming, you can get a lot more. Okay, so we have been talking out yesterday that we'll be doing shorts on the gold market, and we will be expectations that the price is going lower. This morning, we're also giving out signals that the price is going lower. So if you do really like our content, okay, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to give us your supports. Okay, so you can see the price has been 60 pips and we can get 200 pips. So from that point onwards, we will be maintaining that the gold market will be continue to go lower. Okay, so dollar index has been reaching through and right now it's balancing out. So from this point onwards, our on the lower sides. Okay. To be honest, I was thinking to do long on the Euro USD pairings. So for example, the Euro USD, we are expectations that the price will be going back and the price will be flashing back. But After that, we can see that the price has been giving us a really strong bearish momentum. And after that, I was continuously waiting for a long positions. But even though that the price has been continue going lower, we can see that the price has been reaching through the weekly low. After the price has been reaching through the weekly low, the price has been continue going back towards the upwards. Meaning by that is that the momentum of the Euro USD is not that strong. It's most probably will be happening a ranging area in December. Okay, so from here will be speculations that the price will be going back towards upwards and going through a ranging area. Okay, so Euro USD is something like that. GB USD, you can see that the market has been balancing out and forming a really strong imbalance and reaching back to this demand area. To be honest, I'm this week I'm giving out GBUSD and we have been stopping out. Okay, so my speculations is that the price will be going on the high sides, but it seems like the market is going a balance area and then the price reaching through the low. Meaning by that is that the price momentum of going higher, it's weakening down and grabbing lower liquidations. So where is it going to? It's going back to this level. Okay, so the price has been going back, grabbing these liquidations. After that, the price has been going back towards the upwards momentum. To be honest, I'm quite bullish from the GBUSD. So yeah, anyway, I'm quite bullish about it because the momentum of the GBUSD it's continuously showing some kind of signs of going higher, and I will be continue doing long. Stock indexes it's also showing ranging area as well. Nothing to mention about it, but as we already mentioned, we are going to do long on stock indexes and other stock pairings as well. So the crude oil perspective, the price of crude oil has been continuously going on the higher sides. Okay, seems like the market is reaching through here and breaking up back towards this area. So let me think about it. Okay. So from here, we are giving out from the crude oil perspective. If you still remember from the smart money concept that I'm giving my opinion on, the price has been reaching through these liquidations. After that, the price has been going back reaching through, and I was already mentioned that the price momentum is really showing us going on the sell side liquidity. But either way, we can see that there's a really strong liquidations. I mean, a really strong volume from here. So after that, our expectation is that the price will be going back towards this area, or maybe going back to this high. So from the 4 hour perspective, we can see that the market is actually reaching through this low. Okay, and this might be the lowest. So our speculations from now, it's that the price will be reaching through and grabbing back to this level. Okay, so from here we can see that the price has been reaching through, forming back and grabbing these liquidations. So from here onwards, our thoughts is that the price is uh revaluations and rebalancing back to this level. Okay, so from this point onwards, I'm thinking that the price is rebalancing out and then continuously going on the higher sides. Okay, so either way will be speculations that the price of crude oil will be going on the higher sides. And if you do want to do long, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue sharing you the latest insights and latest informations. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue sharing you the latest informations. Okay. Okay, so right now we can see that the price has been reaching to going down, ripping out, rebalancing out, and forming imbalance. As I already mentioned, we will be speculations that the price is going lower and reaching to this level. Okay, and balancing out, reaching to the low, and continues going higher. Okay, so as I already mentioned, why the second week is the best week of trading. So you can see, usually second week will be giving us a trending market. Okay, to be honest, I didn't really expectations will be going that much higher. But either way, you need to know that the first week usually will be forming the balance area. So meaning by that is that forming accumulations. So going back, you can see that the first week, what is really forming? Okay, the first week, the price is actually forming a balancing out. And where is it going to? Okay, balancing out. And this is the manipulations. Okay, so once the manipulations has been formed, you can see that this is the line. Okay, so the price has been reaching to and continuously going on the high sides. Okay, so what is happening after that? Okay, once the price has been reaching to, going back and reaching back a really strong supply area, meaning by that is that the price has a lot of liquidations, not really a lot of people wanted to push higher. So what will be happening? The price will be likely to go back to the low and grabbing on the liquidations. So right now, our speculations is that the price has been forming the highest of the month, and then after that the price is actually rebalancing down. So maybe will be ending price will be here, or maybe even here or here. Either way, right now our speculations is that the price will be going back to the balance area. Okay, the most volume area to grab liquidations, because you need to know that the market is grabbing liquidity to liquidity. So for example, if the price wanted to push higher and fail to push higher, what the price need to do, need to grab lower liquidations. So the market will be going back and grabbing on the low liquidations, grabbing, and then after that, once the liquidations has been grabbing finished, the price will be going back towards upwards. So the market is usually going back to liquidity to liquidity. So right now, as I already mentioned, the price is actually forming here, going manipulations and distributions. So from here, you can see that this is the manipulations. This is the accumulations, manipulations, and distributions. So right now the price is actually forming a rebalance area. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember to give us your support. Okay, and remember that our live streaming give out a really good content about how to do trades, or our live trading signals, the live educations, and so on. So if you do really like us, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be giving you the latest insights and the latest informations. Okay. So if you do really enjoy it, and if you do have any questions, feel free to ask on the comment section below, and we'll be answering your questions. So this is what is really going on. So you can see that the price has been forming momentum to going higher and higher. And once the price has been reaching through this imbalance, I think that the market is actually wanted to push higher but failed. So you can see that the price has been failing on. Maybe this has been happening. There's a possibility this will be happening a iceberg order, meaning by that is that the price is failed to break higher and putting a lot of volume from here, price is reaching to, grabbing back, and continuing going lower sides. But either way, I'm not really thinking that the price of gold will be giving us a really big movement today because today is Friday, the last day of the trading day. So we'll be probably seeing that the price will be going through a ranging area. Nothing much fancy about it, but either way, will be speculations that the gold will be likely to continue going through a ranging area. Okay, so right now the gold will be forming a ranging area, and either way, we'll be going back to the other pairings, such as the Bitcoin. BTC USD has been going through a ranging area for quite a while from the 100,000 area. So from my expectations, I'm thinking that the market is going highs and lows, grab and destroy. This is what we already mentioned. So you can see the market wanted to push higher but failed. So you can see this is a failed options. Once the failed options has been formed, the price has been breaking through and grabbing low liquidations. So this week, the market is actually giving us some signs that the price is more likely to go higher because you can see that the market has been reaching through and grabbing this liquidations, falling back, going back, and continuously going on the higher sides. Euro USD is going higher. As I already mentioned, dollar index is probably going through a ranging area. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember to follow us. Okay. Seems like the silver market is much more likely to go low in the next few weeks because the price has been forming back and breaking through a really strong distribution on the lower side and grabbing back all this balance area. So it's much more likely that the price is going back to the lower side. Remember to follow, like us, and give us a subscribe, and we'll be continue to providing you the latest insights and also the latest information for you guys. Okay, so if you do really like us, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue performing you the latest informations to you and the audience. Okay. Hmm. So from what we can see right now, the market has been grabbing here, going high, reaching through this area, reaching back and going back to the low. Once the price has been breaking this low, will be speculations that the price will be going back continuously going on the lower sides. And where is it going to? Should be around here to here, or maybe even much more lower to be honest, because it seems like the market is going on the lower sides. So let's see from the zero markets from here. Okay, so let's see. So you can see that the market has been forming here, grabbing here, and it really shows us a really strong balance area from here. So you can see that the market is actually showing a really strong level from here, grabbing liquidity, balancing out. And then once the price has been filled to break through, then the price will be going low and grabbing low liquidations. So forming back, let's see. Okay, so this is the first week, Sunday, Monday to Friday. Okay, so it's probably reaching through this area. So price has been forming here, rebalancing out and balancing from here onwards, grabbing this imbalance. Then after that, the price has been continuously going on the high sides. So from here and probably reaching through, going back and grabbing low liquidations. So where is it going to? The price has been reaching to this and probably reaching much more lower to this area as well. Okay, so you can see that the market is actually forming some kind of support. So probably the price will be forming some kind of supporting area from here, reaching through and grabbing some kind of balance area. After that, we can speculations that the price will be going higher or going lower. Okay. Okay, so this is our expectations, but either way, this week we already mentioned what's my point of view. So from here onwards, we already mentioned that this week it's the gold week. Why? What has happened? Okay, Euro has been announcing on cutting rates. So Switzerland has been also announcing on cutting rates. And what is really going on? So you can see that the price is once is cutting rates. This what will be happening. Okay, this will be giving supports from the dollar index. Okay, dollar index will be forming supports, and other than that, uh, dollar index will be forming supports, and this will be pushing the stock indexes or even the crude oil to lower sides. Okay, so this is our speculations. I already mentioned that dollar index is probably going higher. So if you do really follow us, you can actually gain a lot of information. Okay, we have been giving fundamentals, technical analysis, trading signals, and also the education sites as well. So remember, if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe and give us your support. Okay, Okay, so this is what we have mentioned. So the euro has been cutting rates, Switzerland also cutting rates, REA remaining rates, and Canada cutting rates. This has been giving supports for the dollar index, and this is also the major reasons that other pairings drops. So especially the stock indexes, crude oil, and gold as well. So this is what is really happening. Okay, so we'll be canceling out, but either way, right now we'll be thinking that the gold market it's probably going ranging. Not much we can do about it, but the price will be forming a balance area from here and forming a mean it's more likely that the price will be forming a ranging area, and let's see how it happens later on. Okay, we can go to 50 minutes to be honest and see the price actions. Okay, I think we can do really see the price action. Okay, price, you can see that the market is actually forming back to the imbalance. Once the price has been forming back to the imbalance, you can see it's a really strong indications that the price it's going back to the lower side. So you can see that footprint is actually a really strong indications if you do really know how to use it. So you can see the price has been forming back, grabbing absorptions, but the best scenario is that to use a balance area. So you can see this is the imbalance plus the volume nodes. So once the price has been reaching to grabbing low, I think we can actually do a short positions, everyone. Okay, so let's do a short positions and see how it goes. Okay, so let's see we can do 5 minutes and let's see we can try to do short position. Okay, so let's see we'll be using a real account to do trades. So if you do really enjoy it, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be continuing to do this kind of content to you guys. Okay. This might be forming some kind of supports. So let's see. So you can see the market has been showing form. I think we can try to do shots from here. Okay, so we can actually do shots from here. Okay, so if the price do really reach back, I think we can actually do shots from here. Okay, 2670, and we put our stop loss above 2673, and we can get I think we can actually get below. So let's see. Okay, so once the price do really reach through 2670, we can actually do shots on, and that's a really good place. So 2673 to 2671, and put your stop loss 2673, and we can get below. I think we can get below 26, at least 65. I can say. I think. Okay, so let's see. be waiting for the price to shrink to 2670, and then we can try to do shots on. So let's see and wait for the price. It seems like there's a lot of limit orders has been filled. So you can see that the price has been filled on the limit orders. So we'll be waiting for the price to reach to this level. Okay, so limit order, sell limit order will be here, buy limit order will be here. So let's see. But if I think market executions will be here doing shots. Sell limit, it's once the price has been reaching through. Okay, so we'll be waiting for 2670. I think we can do shots on. Okay, 2670. Let's try to do a little bit short positions and see how it goes. Okay, okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, and we can put our stop loss above. Let's try flow, and we will be speculations that the price will be likely to go through this low. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue to do this kind of content for you guys. Okay, so right now you can see we have profit about 10. Hopefully we can do a sniper entry. Okay, if everything goes right, so you can see from here the market is actually forming a imbalance. So when once this has been holding down, I think we can actually expectations that the price will be going on the lower sides. So we need to see the price to hold on. If the price do really hold on, I think we can actually get a really good trade. Okay, so we have been doing shorts. So this is the shorting positions that we actually showing you guys. So we are actually enter a sniper entry, but the price still fighting against the bulls and bears. So let's see if the price do really holds on. I think we can actually do a really good trades. So you can see we are actually on the profits. Okay, hopefully that it holds because you can see this is a footprint order and showing us if we do really hold on this positions, I think we can actually get a really good trading, I mean really good selling positions. So here it's forming a, I mean this is also forming a what we call the imbalance from here and here. So if the price do really break through this one, then I think that's not really good thing. But either way, we are trying to treat a risk reward ratio trade. So if the price do really break through, then that's a different story. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Okay, because this is a small trade, so we'll be using a really small lot size, 0.3, not much, not a really big position. So let's see, we are using how many trades from here. So if we do trades 30 pips and we are getting 2 to 1, I'm thinking that it's actually quite okay. So let's see, this might take some time. But either way, right now the market is actually forming a really strong imbalance from here. Okay, so you can see that the market is really showing a really strong imbalance from here. And we can see that this is an imbalance. So hopefully that the price do really holds on from here. If the price didn't hold on, then we will I think will be revaluations later on. Okay. So let's see how the price react. If we are right, then our risk reward ratio is really good, 2 to 1. I think should be fine. But if we are wrong, then I think should be also okay lah. Okay. So right now the market is fighting on. So if we do really profit this one, remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember to give us your supports because we'll be continue to provide the best information for you guys, and giving you the latest information for you. Okay. At least we do really hold on for this area. So I think it's actually a good thing. But either way, if the price do really holds on, I think the price will be going through a really strong bearish momentum. But let's see how it holds on. If the price do really holds, I think we can actually do a really good trade. So the price has been forming a resistance, but this might take some time. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comment section below, and I will be gladly to answer your questions. Okay, so if you do really have any questions, please ask me on the comment section below, and I will be gladly to answer your questions. Okay, sorry for maybe this week I'm not really performing well because I have some issues from my house site. So the performance site is not. I'm thinking this week the trading analysis part might not be a really best performance. Not like stop loss. I'm thinking that this week I'm actually giving one trade, didn't giving much more. So today I'll be giving out another trade, and let's see how it happens. Okay. So the price has been reaching to ranging level. Didn't really give much about it. Okay. Seems like the market go highs and lows, highs and lows. Didn't really, it shows resistance, but seems like the market wanted to go higher. You can see that this is the balance node. So this is also why that I really like doing shots from here. So this is the imbalance, and this is also the balance nodes. So meaning by that is that there's a really high volume from here. So this will be showing some kind of pressure, at least in a short period of time. So this is why that it's a really good time to do shorts. And if the price do really holds on, it's probably reaching on the lower sides, maybe here or even lower. So and the risk reward ratio is quite good. So you're risking, okay, if you do shorts right here, you're putting your stop loss above. So it's about 3, so the loss is 3 and you are getting 6, so it's about 2 to 1. I'm thinking that it's actually a quite a good deal. So this is why that we have been doing shorts. Okay, so if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and we'll be continue performing and giving you the latest insights and also the informations. Okay. Okay, so look through, I think we are on profit, but not much, maybe a $40 range. But hopefully that we do really go back to this tip area. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so right now we have been earning $100 range. and will be expectations to wait through this level. If we do get it right, I think we are on the right hand side. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe, and I will be continue to giving you the latest informations. Okay. So right now, I think this is actually a really good trade. I already mentioned before, the most important thing that we are looking through is risk reward ratio. So this one we can get one, and this is two. So we are risking one and getting two. I think it's a really good trade. So let's hope for the best and wait for the TP area. If we do TP, give us a like and subscribe. Okay, remember. So this is a real account, and hopefully that the price do really go lower. To be honest, the second scenario that will be happening is that the price is going back to this low. The price going back to this low and then fail to break through lower fail auctions. Then there's a possibility that the price will be going back to this high. So I think we can actually put our stop loss below much more. I think we can put to this, make it BE, and let's hope for the best. Okay, because why I really one of my concern is that if the price do really break through and fail to break low, there's a possibility that the price will be fail auctions, and then the price will be going back towards this upwards. So I think should be fine. At least this is risk free trading. Okay, so hopefully that we do reach out to our profit. If not, we'll be reevaluate again and see how it goes. Okay. So remember, if you do really like if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember to give us your support. And we do also have provide our signal group on the bio section, so come join us and you can enjoy our signal like this. Okay, just come join us and you can enjoy this kind of signals, and you can see how accurate that we go through. Okay. So let's see how the price goes through. That's going low. And as I already mentioned, one of my concerns is that the price failed to break this low and swiping off. So you can see this is what is really happening. And if the price do really close above this area, then it's likely to go back to this high. But either way, I'm quite okay right now because this is a risk-free trading. Okay, definitely I can close my positions, but I'm thinking, yeah, I think it should be quite okay. Let's see. Because if I close now, the risk reward ratio is not good. So yeah, let's continue to hold on and see how it happens. Okay. So if you do really like us, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe because we are giving you the latest insights and also the latest information on how to do trading. Okay. So remember to give us your like and subscribe. Okay, so we have been giving out trades. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask on the comment sections, and we'll be continue to provide you the best trading setups. Okay. So we have a few more pips, then we'll be profit up. So yep, we have been profit. Okay, so just now we have been doing trades. So from here to here, we are getting 2 to 1. So you can see from here to here, we are getting 70 pips, and we are losing one. So you can see that this is our trade of the day. So if you do really wanted to this kind of trading positions, do remember to give us a like and subscribe because we are giving you the latest information that we ever giving out. Okay, so you can see this is the trading setup that we are giving out. So if you do really like us, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay. Okay, we have been TP and it's most likely that the price is going lower. But either way, as I already mentioned, we'll be only giving one trade per day. So if you do really want more about it, follow us, give us a like, subscribe, and do really join our signal group on the bio sections, and we'll be continue to share you the best informations. Okay, so you can see we actually have been TP out, and seems like everything is on our track. So let's see, can we do another trade? So let's see, can we do another trade? So if you do really want me to analyze much more about it, remember to give us a like and subscribe. Okay. So let's see, can we do another trade? So the price has been breaking through here. So from this point onwards, to be honest, it's not a really good sign because you can see the price has been breaking through and failed to break low. Price has been forming a volume notes. So from here perspective, it seems like the price is likely to go higher. Maybe it's reaching back towards this area, and let's see how it happens later on because most likely I'm looking to do shorts to be honest, but this is one of my concerns because this one, okay, so you can see the price did not really break through, so it's more likely we'll be reaching through this high level notes. So if the price do really reflecting on this one, I think I can try to do another short positions. But either way, right now it's not the time, so we'll be waiting for the price to give us some clues. Seems like the market is likely to go lower because the price has been accumulations, a lot of orders right here. So yeah, I think we can't really do anything. I think we need to have much more informations only that we can trade. So we'll be continue waiting for. But either way, today we have been giving out one trades. So if you do really want to know more about it, give us a like and subscribe. And do remember we'll be doing live trading and live in every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 10. And if you want more signals, you can go to our bio sections. Okay, so let's continue to see the markets. So it's probably reaching back to the lower sides. I mean, higher sides first. So as I already mentioned, the price has been forming a support. So a lot of volume imbalance has been forming out. So we are likely to see the price to go through the higher sides. Okay. So we'll be likely to go through this level and see how the price react afterwards. Okay. Seems like market has still continues the battle against each other. So they might take some time. But either way, we at least have been grabbing one. So if you do really like us, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And I'll be doing another trade if that really happens. But right now, I think it's not a really good time. The market is actually showing us maybe we'll be forming a ranging area. There's a chance that the price will be forming some kind of ranging area. There's a possibility maybe forming something like this and that. So we'll be waiting for it and see how the price react. But definitely, there's a really strong volume behind of it, this level. So in shorts, you can see there's a really strong buying level here. Okay, buying. So remember, if you do really like us, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And do remember that we'll be doing a lot of trading opportunities and so on. So it seems like continuously to battle against each other, but definitely the bulls is on the win, as I already mentioned that the price is actually forming an imbalance from here, grabbing liquidations. If the price do really holds on from this high level note, I'm quite expectations that the price will be going high and reaching through the next level. Maybe here to here, there's a possibility we'll be reaching through here, but let's see about it because our direction is overall that the price is going on the lower sides. So we'll be waiting for the price to give us the confirmations, and then after that we'll be doing short positions. So it's probably reaching back towards this area, but there's another 3 minutes and see how the price react. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember that we do have I think we do have a lot of signal group as well. So if you do want to join the free versions, just go to the bio sections, or maybe you can just go through the comment section as well. Okay. I think that the market is actually waiting for it. Still, it might take some time. Reaching to grabbing on. We have another last minute to this candle form. Once the candle has been formed, then I'm thinking it depends. To be honest, if the price do really holds up above this volume notes, there's a possibility much more higher that the price will be going higher. If not, then that's a different story. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this it's not a good thing, I'm guessing, because the price has been closing below, and this is also an imbalance. Wanted to push high, but the price has been closing below. So now it's a different story. Speculations that the price will be going back to the low. So from here, will be speculations that the price will be going on the lower sides. So if you do really wanted to, I think you can actually do shots from here. Okay, you can do shots from here and putting your stop loss above. Okay, so you can actually do shots from here and putting your stop loss above. Maybe you can put around 266. So it's a good trade, I think, because the price has been showing you signs that it's probably going lower. So yeah. So remember, if you do really want to have a trade like this, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And do remember that we do live streaming from Monday to Friday every day, and hope to give us your supports. So you can see the market is actually going through the low. So if you do know really how to use this one, you can actually gain a really strong edge about it. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember that we'll be providing a lot of information afterwards. Okay, we have another 12 minutes left. So if you do have any questions, feel free to ask, because today we have been giving out one of the trades. So our trades is actually gaining 80 pips. I think we're actually gaining around 70 pips, and it's likely to continue going on the lower sides. And as I already mentioned, gold, it's on the lower sides, but either way, we have been gaining our first TP area. Okay, Okay, we have been doing trades and we already earned 70 pips, and just now we already giving out one. I think we just now also give out another treat. As I already mentioned, we can do shots from here. You can put your stop loss 66, so you can gain 2 to 1, so you can get around, I think you can actually get around 57. Okay, so 2 to 1 risk reward ratio. Okay, doing shots from here, putting your stop loss above and getting to 57. Okay, so if you do really like us, remember to follow, like, and subscribe. We'll be providing a lot of information, and hopefully you do give us your support. Okay, so 57. Hmm, balance. Once the price has been reaching balance, price will be forming some kind of inside information using footprint order, then the price will be forming imbalance. Yep, this is actually a really good trading strategy. But either way, we already mentioned we'll be doing shorts and our earnings. I think we'll be putting our short positions from here, putting here, and our TP area is 57. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And we do provide a lot more information about it. Do remember to give us your like and subscribe. Okay. And if you do really want more about it, you can join our signal group on the bio sections and we'll be providing more signals to you guys. Okay. So just now we have been announcing two trades. One trade we are doing shots from here. Great. TP around here. Okay. Second trade we already mentioned that we'll be doing shots on 63, putting our stop loss above 66, and we are getting 57. Okay. So it's around 2 to 1 risk reward ratio. If you are just now, if you already heard my trading signals, okay, put your stop loss, okay, from your BE, then you can get a risk-free trading setup. Okay, so remember, if you do really like content and like our content and you want more on this kind of trading setup, you can join our signal group on the bio sections or on the comment sections. So this is the second trade. So our live streaming sessions has been given out two trades for today only. Okay, so if you want more about it, go to our bio sections and we'll be giving you much more trading setups. But either way, I'm thinking that the price will be reaching back to this low. So let's see. Okay. Okay, so I think we'll be putting BE. So if the price do really reach through BE, then we will be having a risk-free trading. At least we are risking nothing. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And do remember that we will be providing much more details about it on our live streaming sessions on the next time. Okay. So hopefully, if you do really like us, remember to follow and subscribe. And do remember, if you want more of this kind of trading setups and trading strategies or trading philosophy, remember to follow, like, subscribe, and go through our bio sessions and follow our Telegram group. Okay. We have been doing trades and So if you really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll be continue providing you the best setup that we ever giving out. So we'll be looking through the price going low. As I already mentioned, we have been doing shots from here, speculations that the price is going low. And let's see. Okay. And we'll be putting our stop loss break even point. If the price do really break through, then we'll be risking nothing. Okay. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe. And do remember that we are giving out this kind of trade every day, okay, from Monday to Friday. So if you do really like it, please give us a like and subscribe. And do remember that we're providing live streaming every day from Monday to Friday, 7 to 10. And if you want more signals, go to our bio sections. Okay. Okay, so that's about it. We already gave you the setups and everything, and we already mentioned that we are giving out two trades. One it's here, another one it's here. So anyway, we'll be ending our sessions right now. So if you do really like our content, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, because today we have been giving out two trades. So one is here, second is here, and will be speculations that the price of gold is continue going lower. So if you do really wanted to know more about them, please remember to follow, like, and subscribe, and go to our bio sections, because we will be providing much more details, trading signals, trading setups, and even much more about it. Okay, so thank you for joining, because we already giving out a lot of information today. Okay, we have been talking about the fundamentals, we have been talking about the technicals, we also giving out trading signals right right before your eyes, okay, and we also giving out a lot of setups as well. So if you do give do really like us, give us your supports, follow, like, and subscribe, and do remember will be continuing doing live streaming in Monday to Friday, 7 to 10, and providing you the latest insights. Okay.